Hey everyone, back with another keto recipe. We've got cheese on a stick, and this will serve 2 to 4 people because they're pretty big, guys. All right, here's what you'll need. Eggs, a keto-friendly flour, a big jar of coconut oil. The fresh packs of Valveta works the best, or regular Valveta too. You'll need sticks, a bowl for mixing, and a deep fryer. You're going to start by taking 2 of those fresh packs, cutting it up into 4 sections so you'll have 8 of them. Stick it in a bowl, and we're going to stick it into our freezer for 2 hours. It will not freeze all the way, though. Then when the 2 hours is up, we're going to stick in the coconut oil in our deep fryer, and we're going to be heating that up on a heat of 400 degrees. Put the cover on it and let it warm up. While that is heating up, you're going to go ahead and take your big bowl and add a 1.5 cups of the keto-friendly flour, 8 eggs, and pink salt. It's just not in the picture here. And then you're going to mix it, and it's going to be a very thick batter, but you need it to be thick. And then you're going to go ahead and get your sticks ready, and then take your cheese out, and you're going to put 2 pieces of the cheese on each stick, and it will slide through. Like I said, it doesn't freeze all the way. And then you're going to pack that batter around it, all the way around to cover every bit of that cheese, and then stick it into your deep fryer. After about 1.5 minutes, flip them over, and then they're ready to eat. Take them out, stick them on a paper plate lined with a paper towel, and yes, there you go, you guys. Oh my gosh, cheese on a stick. Never thought I'd get it right, but I got it right this time. It was ooey gooey and delicious. I can't wait for you to see the video tomorrow. But anyways, definitely make these for your kids, and they're super huge, so even one was plenty. That's all I could eat was one of them. And always remember to keep it keto.